M0FXB, just a quickie on Supermon and ALLSTAR. So if you can see in the image, you can see the Bofung. We've got it set on 2 frequencies, and we have 2 ALLSTAR node boxes here. One is G7RPG box, and the other is just a homemade box. So on the left-hand side, we've got the one that's connected. I've connected it to Papa Systems. That is the homemade box. On the right hand side, you've got the G7RPG node, and that is connected to the G7RPG box. So as people transmit, you can see that the screen is changing color. You know, the line goes blue when it's transmitting. At the moment, no one's talking on Papa Systems. So I thought I'd just show you what these look like. So if you just go back to, if I just select the node numbers, you get all these buttons here, like that you can select. One I haven't done yet is the configure button. So I just let it run for a couple of minutes, let you listen.
Munich is Bavaria, South Bavaria. Beautiful view of the Alps today as the sun's shining. M6GAG, this is DL/G4XFD, over.
DL/G4XFD, and yeah, I've got that all down there. Thanks for that, Bavaria and Munich. Yeah, I've spoken to many a person in Munich over the years.
Got my little handheld here as well.
So,
we're going to talk to the Papa Systems one.
Yeah, I'm down about 10 miles
show you it
from the
activate.
port of Southampton on a little patch they call the New Forest, which is quite close to the Solent at the bottom of the English.
So you saw me then talking, key the mic on the Papa Systems. I'm now going to call through and see if we get anyone come back to me. So we're just for this, I'm just using this little Bofung radio here. Mike 0 Fox X-ray Bravo M0FXB calling into Papa Systems. Close the door, hun. Right, we give another call through. Mike 0 Fox X-ray Bravo M0FXB calling into Papa Systems. Right, well, no reply, but the thing I just want to show you is you can run a couple of nodes. What I've done is I've selected permanent here. See, there's a little tick here and here. I've selected permanent. So it just stays connected. So one's on HubNet and one's on Papa. Okay. So I'm very new to Supermon, but it seems to me like that if you have a ALLSTAR node set up, you will always be able to get into this Supermon system. I haven't done any configuration stuff. I was going to click configuration editor, and I literally don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna just, there's one select section here where I think you can tune, tells you how to tune the audio to get the best audio. Okay, I'm just going to click continue and have a look. So there's different audio settings. What else we got here? Edit file. Now I saw a video on this where you can change things. I'm a bit too scared to do this. There was an interesting one about the airport. Look, background color. I'm not going to touch any of this because I'm too scared. The weather conditions. See this local zip. Apparently, if I put a different airport in there, a number in there, I can get an airport. So if I put, let's just put, for example, and I don't know what I'm doing, Heathrow Airport code. Okay, so it just says LHR. I don't know if there's a number. Capital LHR. Show number of dump your files. So I could just be naughty and do it, and if it goes wrong, if it goes wrong, we're in trouble. Caps LHR. Write your edits. We did it. Turn to index. We don't know if that's going to save. Anyway, I don't know what I'm doing, but we did it. So, who knows? If we refresh, who knows? We might get, look, weather conditions for your location, LHR, cloudy. Yeah, that seems to have worked. Okay, right. So, configuration editor, and that was for my homemade node, which is configured of a Raspberry Pi 3B, CM108 sound card, both on AAA-S, and what they call a buck converter, but basically a 12 volt adjustable power input, 12 volt input, and then you can adjust it down. I've actually got two in that one. So yeah, well, let's see if there's anything else we can play with. There's an ALLSTAR how-to. Loads of stuff here. This is what I need to look at, really. I'd like to know how to get it to use it mobile, to be honest. ALLSTAR wiki, CPU status. All that. And I guess that's looking at my Raspberry Pi that's in the node. Node info. Oh, look at that. Info. Pretty cool. Not sure if you can actually see that when I do that though. So let me click one and see if you can see it, because I'm not actually sure. Yeah, it looks like you can't, so that's a shame. So anyway, I think we'll end it for now. This is just a video on the sort of front page of Supermon, and then I think we'll do another video on actually adding the weather. 7.3.